Okay, so continuing with our study of limits, we are up to evaluating these limits, and these are some exercises from the textbook, and I'd like you to, pause the video and take a few minutes and try these. You can do all of these problems with just the properties of limits that we've talked about so far. So pause, please, pause this, pencil in your notes, get your result, and then you'll check in a moment. Okay. Okay, well, hopefully you did the limits, you did all the evaluations. Each one of these is evaluated with direct substitution. Many of them are polynomials, but not all of them. 25, 26, and 30 are all polynomial functions, so for sure those limits are evaluated with direct substitution. Some of the other functions, like 27 and 31, those are rational functions, but these are rational functions where the denominator is not zero. So those can also be evaluated with direct substitution. And 29, 31, and 32 are also, they're rational functions, but they're not ratios of polynomials because each of these has a radical. But in fact, if you do the substitution, you see that each of the denominators is defined. They're non-zero, so each of those ratios is defined. So there's no problems with any of these, and so you can evaluate every one of these problems with direct substitution, and the results are shown.